Take a moment to look up. Look at the moon. If you have clear skies, even in daytime, the moon is visible. The other day, I took a moment just to stand and look at the moon and wonder. The Artemis 2 mission has come and gone, and yet I still stand in awe of what they accomplished. Normally, when you see graphs of the solar system, they look like this. Neat little planets all lined up in a row. It even shows the moon right beside our beautiful blue planet. Hard to see? Try it now. Doesn't look so far apart now, does it? I'm a numbers person, down to my socks and through to my soul, but I wondered about just how far the astronauts went. The numbers tell us that the total distance traveled was 700,239 miles. But we've all seen the memes about how Americans will measure with anything but numbers. So it gave me the idea to measure with a non-standard measurement. What about planets? How many of the planets in our solar system could fit between the Earth and the moon? Turns out the answer is all of them, with room left over. Let's see. So the Earth and the moon are 238,854 miles apart. That already gives a different perspective than normal. Now let's add the planets in one at a time. First, Mercury. It's our smallest planet. Sorry, Pluto, your time will come. Okay, I expected that to fit easily. Next, let's add Venus. Bigger than Mercury, but not as big as the Earth. Yep, it'll fit. Now let's add Mars. Nothing unusual here. The red planet is still smaller than Earth and fits just fine. Surely, however, Jupiter is too big to fill the remaining space. Nope. Keeping in mind that my graph is not perfectly to scale, it's definitely not that far off. Jupiter definitely fits between the Earth and the moon. But no way will Saturn squeeze in the remaining space. Well darn. I'm starting to think that the astronauts of the Artemis 2 mission really needed those 10 days to get there and back. Let's add Uranus and Neptune. Nearly the same size. They're still larger than the Earth. Wait, they fit too? Look, I have leftover space, into which I will defiantly stuff Pluto. Viva la resistencia. And there is still more room. Yes, the other dwarf planets would fit as well. We can fit all of the planets in our solar system into the space between the Earth and the moon. So the next time that you're looking up and wondering, remember that and take a moment to embrace the awe. To quote the late, great Louis Armstrong, what a wonderful world.